Hi, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be talking about curved bay windows and calculating the meters squared. There are four types of curved bay windows: very shallow, shallow, deep and very deep stroke semicircular. The difference between these is a very shallow curved bay window has the depth is up to 10% of the width. A shallow one is the depth is up to 20% of the width. A deep one is the depth is up to 30% of the width. And a very deep one, stroke semicircular one, is the depth is up to 50% of the width. So to calculate whether which one it meets, if you take your width, and then you take 100 and divide it by the width. Say the width is 2.5, that will equal 40. You take your 40 and then you times it by the depth. So say the depth is 0.5 meter. That will give you 20%. So therefore the bay is shallow. In this scenario, the width of the bay was 2.528 and the depth was 0.545 mil. So you type in 100 into your calculator and then you divide it by the width, which is 2.528, which equals 39.5569. And then you take your 39.5569 and times it by the depth, which is 0.545, which equals 21.56%. Now that is over 20%. So that's into the next bracket. So this bay is a deep bay as it's over 20%. The depth is over 20% of the width. So to calculate the meters squared and the extra heat loss perimeter of a deep bay, you take 0.7 times the width times the depth, and that equals the meters squared. The extra heat loss perimeter is 0.75 times the depth. Well, thanks for watching and I hope that was helpful. Don't forget to click like and subscribe, and have a look in the description as I'll drop a link to the manual where all of this is written down, and there will be the picture about how to work it with all the workings. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.